Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on navigation bar buttons instead of gestures in Samsung Galaxy A55. So right now we don't have navigation bar at the top, we don't have these buttons. We can just swipe. So how to return our buttons at the bottom? So let's show you step by step. We need to go to settings, then to display. Next, in navigation bar options, we have at the top these two options. So now let's turn on our buttons, and they're here. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.